Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. We are at TJ Maxx. Let me park the vehicle. Okay, we are at TJ Maxx in Georgetown, Texas. And I wanted to just take a look around. Liz's son's birthday party is tomorrow, and I have to get a gift. And I was like, oh my God, this is the perfect time to go to TJ Maxx, see what they have around, and see what I can get my hands on as far as a gift, and look at the hygiene area. I'm not supposed to buy anything, nothing. We'll see what happens. Okay, we'll see what happens. We'll see. But if you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on, so anytime I upload in this thing, you are alerted. I do Bath and Body Works, I do Candle News Network in the morning. That way you guys are up to date on like all the new things that are coming out, all type of things. So definitely, if you're not subscribed, you need to and turn those notifications on big time. So enough talking, get my keys and let's go into the store. Feeling that beat? I know y'all feeling that beat. Come on, going in on the purses. Hey, going in on the purses, okay? So first thing y'all know I go to is the purses. Every store. It don't matter what store. I go and I look at the purses because I think deep down inside I am a purse girl, even though I don't want to admit it. I love bags. I don't know why, because I always wear the same two bags, but I love me a bag. So I like looking at them. The one that really interests me was that wooden one right there. Well, is it wooden? No, it's wicker. That wicker one, I thought that was super cute. I thought that would be so spring, so summer. Like, I don't know. I thought that one was super, super cute. Don't worry, to the people that like hygiene and fragrance, we're going to make our way over there. Like in a minute. This one right here reminds me of a Bottega, and I just love it. It's super cute, but you can get something cheaper than that, honey. From what's that store? Zara. You can get a cheaper one from Zara, like $39.99. So $129. Not paying it. But here we go to the perfumes. Look at that. That looks so expensive, and it's lavender. And I was like, ooh, that was pretty. We have that one right there. That one looks expensive as well. I was surprised to see Hermes in there. I was like, what? Hermes? And it was only $49.99. So wow, to see Hermes in TJ Maxx. I was like, okay. I feel like I was in New York City, because if y'all didn't know, the TJ Maxx's in New York City and stuff, they be having like Gucci, like all kind of like bags and stuff. I ain't seen nothing like that, of course, where I am, but you know, they have things like that at those stores. But these are just a look over of all the perfumes that they have over here. Dolce and Gabbana. Like, and the prices are priced right. And that's one thing I love. Items that are priced the way I like them. Cheap. spend hours over in the perfume, but we ain't gonna do it. Let's go over to the body care, okay? So Mario Pedescu, oh my God, a raspberry body scrub, and it was only $8.99. I thought that was a good deal. This is a great place to get your body scrubs. It's a TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something like that, because they be going for like $5.99 to $9.99, and that's a great price because Bath and Body Works is charging us $16.95. And if you notice, no, it's $16.50. It's $16.50, and if you notice on one of the new ones, it went up to $17.50. So I mean, for $17.50, I can grab what, about three out of here. So I'd rather grab three out of here. And y'all, when I seen this, I was saying, what is this? Y'all, look at that. Peach booty butt butter. What that do? A butt butter? Like, I don't know. Silly things like that intrigue me. Like, anybody try that before? Let me know, y'all. I don't like how the store is color coordinated when it comes to the hygiene items. Everything is color coordinated. So the yellows stay with the yellows, the purples with the purples, the blues with the blues. I think that's pretty cool. The orange with the oranges and the greens with the greens. It's so pretty. And I don't know why I didn't pick up that hand soap. And y'all, look. Cocoa Pebbles. I'm mad somebody opened it and ignored my ass, y'all. It was cold outside, okay? It was cold. But Cocoa Pebbles, someone opened it, which made me mad. But they had it. So that means they probably had the Fruity Pebbles and it probably sold out. So, I was a little salty. I was in my salty bag, but I was really looking for it, but I couldn't find it at all. And then this is just some more stuff that they had. And I really do love that they had Nest in there. Like, what? Nest for $9.99, and it was the hand sanitizer gel. I should have just picked it up. $9.99 for Nest. Nest is a high-end brand, and this is also a really, really good brand, Philosophy, and they always be having Philosophy for the low versus what you're going to pay at like a Ulta. So this is another great place to get like Philosophy items. My voice is breaking. My bad, guys. They had the ham. Of course, we're in the purples now, so we're really into the lavender fields. That's where we are right now, the lavender fields. They got the Jason's line as well. Look, Clinique, all about clean. They had that. It ain't even supposed to be over there, y'all, but it was over there. I love that they be having the Clinique products too. Look at that Ocean Mist. What that do? Like, it's so much to choose from that you could really get carried away inside of here and walk out spending $200 to $300 easily. Saying that we feeling this music? Are we feeling the music with the shopping? Like, come on, okay? Baby want to shop, she can shop, okay? Baby drop it down like it's hot, ayy. Baby get the candles for the cheap, ayy. Baby know how to get hygiene, ayy. Okay, remix. Put me on a remix, though. Put me on a remix, okay? But anyway. Let's get over to the candles. They had some Ray-Ban candles going on sale for the low low. They were going for $10. And then I'm gonna take you to see the rest of the candles. They have so many candles at TJ Maxx and Ross and all that. Like it be rows in them. I'm drowning in candles, drowning in candles, and they go between seven something and $12.99. So cheaper than Bath and Body Works on any given day. Okay, so yeah, I was in my groove. I was looking at everything, and then somebody came down the aisle, took me off my groove and things. But D&W candles, why do I always call it D&W? It's DW. It's DW Homes, and every time I think of DW, I think of DW from Arthur. So that's all I be thinking about when I think of DW is DW from Arthur. But yeah, they had a lot of candles. It took a lot of me not to buy a lot, but I think this is going to be the new plug. Like, seriously, the new plug for candles. But hope you guys enjoyed the music. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely want to start bringing you more videos with the music and stuff because I be vibing. When I be shopping, I be vibing. And yeah, I like to talk, but I don't need to talk y'all ear off. Sometimes it's good just to vibe and see what the store has. So if you like tonight's vibe, definitely let me know in the comments below. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in Candle News Network. Bye, guys.